Sine rule, cosine rule, question 2. Okay, pause and have a go. Right, looking at this question then, we've got all the lengths given to us and we've got to find length DC. So we're looking at finding this length. Now at the moment we can't do that, we haven't got enough information. But if we find this length, then we'll be able to use cosine rule. So looking at this length then, this is the length I'm trying to find first of all. Okay, so what have I got? Well, I want to find this side and I know the angle opposite it, so I've got a pair. And then I've got another pair by here. So I'm going to be using sine rule. Okay, so here it is. I've redrawn out the triangle and labelled it up correctly. So little a is the side I want, opposite little is capital B, and then the other pair I've labelled up capital B, small b. So they're the pairs. Two pairs, one unknown. Substituted the values, written out sine rule. Substituted the values in and rearranged. And then, again, I'm just going to pop that all in my calculator. I'm going to press the fractions button. Okay. So 8.6 times sine 82, close the bracket, over sine 40, close the bracket, equals, and there's my answer. Again, I'm going to keep that in my calculator. I've rounded it there, but I'm going to keep it in my calculator for as long as possible. Okay, so now I know that this side is 13.2. I can now use cosine rule to find this side, because I've got side, angle, side, or we could look at it as arrowhead. Right, so again, I've drawn him out. So I'm going to put that on there, 13.2, so I remember it. I've labelled up the sides. Little a is the side I want, so opposite that is angle A, and B and C I've also put down as well. So substituting everything in, I'm going to then use my calculator again to pop all these values in. So what have I got? I've got 13.2, but actually it's that long number, squared, plus 12.6 squared, minus 2 times, ans again, because it's still in there, times 12.6 times cos 52, close the bracket. Here's my answer. Now don't forget that oh, there's a mistake there, sorry everyone. That's a squared, okay? So that's a squared. When I square root it, shift square root, sorry, I've got them completely wrong now, square root the answer, and we get that. So 11.3 that should read, okay.